channel, and now I need download driver Canon PIXMA. This here is real, and this here the you type the driver to load. Okay, and please why I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website canon.co.uk. Click here, and so I also loading. And this here for the driver, you click here, and this here for the type automatic for your operating system. If you need change the favorite operating system, you click here. This here for the all operating system, and this here for operating system for Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here for Mac 8, and this here for Windows 11 and Linux and Chrome OS, and server support for the your driver. This here I'm testing for the make your life your life and make commentary, not the driver. This here for your note and driver and airplane has been made to improve the use. And this here for the your line height your automatic install and automatic install your operating system. This year for the Mac 12 for operating system, your automatic install your connect driver for the Wi-Fi, and this year for automatic install. Okay, if you need Mac 12 and Mac 11 and Mac 11 and automatic install again. And this year for this video I need to load for driver Windows 11, and click here for the driver Windows 11. This driver not automatic install, and this here for the driver here, and this here for the this driver will be profit full printing and a scanner functionality for your product. Okay, this here for the MP driver, and this here for serial driver setup package. For the driver, you look in the release update here. This is for new release update, and I am recommendation for you to look here, and see for the tile driver. This here for the detail driver system requirement and setup history file and prints mobile for the printer. uh, if you need if you need to load the driver, you click here. This here for the driver MP driver. You look in the release update, new release update, and click download. Click to load. This here for the driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please white finish driver download. You click run as a driver, or you click double click here for the driver download, and you click continue, or you click next. Next and finish the driver. This here for driver automatic install your printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.